Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at the unique function. I'm going to use some data again from US counties. What is the unique function? It basically takes a list and tells you what is unique. So I'm going to say equals unique. It asks for an array, and then two optional arguments are by column or exactly once. So you can specify those. I'm going to focus just on the array. It's such a simple and elegant function. So basically what we're going to do here is we've got 3,246 county names. Are they unique? How many of those are unique? Well, we can find out. Over here I'll say unique county names. And if I say equals unique and choose this as the array, then this gives me all these counties. If I do a count A, I should have frozen the panes here to help us out here. There's 1,955 counties, so just a little bit more than half of the county names are unique. Other than that, they've been borrowed. Let's see how many, if we do the same formula, but instead this time for states, and we have another count A here. Okay, let's take a look at the states. So I'll say equals unique, and then grab the state names. It's going to list those out, and there are 57. Wait a minute, I thought there were just 50 states. Well, that's true, but it's states and territories. So as you see here, we've got Alaska, AS is American Samoa, so we've got a few others in here. We probably have the Virgin Islands, we probably have Puerto Rico, PR, and then we had one called AA, and that was just from the footnotes in the list of data, so we can discount that. So if we want to combine the filter that we used in the last video, we can say filter this unique thing if this unique thing does not equal AA. And that gives me 56. So I used the filter to take out the one that was not actually a state or territory abbreviation. So that is unique and combining unique with filter. Next, we're going to look at group by. See you then.